So who needs store-bought ice cream when you can make a creamy, delicious Coldstone style treat right at home using just bananas, strawberries, whipped cream, condensed milk, and guess what? No ice cream machine needed. Stay with me because this recipe is a game changer. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Vineta's Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into mouth-watering delights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you never miss a recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to be using 2 full cup of whipped cream and 1 full cup of condensed milk. So you can get any whipped cream of your choice. Just make sure you're getting, a very nice whipped cream, okay? And not get a cooking cream. There's a difference between a cooking cream and a whipped cream, so make sure you're getting the correct cream, okay? So I just added in condensed milk, frozen banana, 1 full cup of frozen banana, and half cup of evaporated milk. I'm going to be listing all of the ingredients in the description box, so do not worry, you can check for the ingredients, the proper measurements when trying to do yours. So I'm just going to blend until it is very smooth, okay? And when you're done blending, just transfer into a plastic bowl or a container like a pan or something, and feel free to add in anything into it at this point, like chocolate chips or chocolate biscuits, anything you want to, okay? I wanted to, but I did not have anything at the moment, so I just did this, okay? So this is the banana flavor, and I just transferred mine into a used ice cream container, and I'm just gonna set that aside and move to the next step, which is making the strawberry ice cream. So we're just gonna repeat almost the same measurement, which is using 2 cups of whipped cream, okay? And we're just gonna transfer that into the blender, and I'm gonna be adding 2 full cup of condensed milk, okay? I added 2 full cup of condensed milk. I'm sorry I did not show that part. Then I added half cup of evaporated milk and some strawberries, okay? Make sure the strawberries are not too much, like about 4 pieces is okay. I added the remaining banana that was left because I didn't want it to waste, and I was just playing with the flavors. So like I said earlier, you can do what you want to do what you want to do what it's okay by you, okay? This came out so perfect, trust me. Even if I added banana and strawberry together, there was no difference. Tasted like Coldstone. Trust me, it really did taste like Coldstone. Like, you could not tell the difference, honestly. So imagine you playing with more ingredients to suit what you really like, okay? I had a strawberry flavor because I wanted it to give that pink color, but in place of that, please use red food coloring. It works better. Actually, it came out a little bit pinky, kind of like a little. So that was blended smooth, and I transferred into a plastic container. Like I said earlier, you can add in chocolates at this point, or your chocolate biscuits, or your nuts, or anything you want to add, okay? You can add it at this point, and you can also add it later, maybe when it's frozen and you want to have your ice cream, okay? So I transferred mine into a freezer, and hours later it was already frozen, and I just brought it out so I can scoop into my ice cream cup or a cone, anything. Just make sure you use whatever it is that you have. You're at home, but this is giving Coldstone ice cream. Trust me guys, this was so delicious. Honestly, it was so nice. Like, I could not tell the difference. I was like, oh my god, I'm so good. Haven't followed this process thoroughly, you've got yourself a homemade, healthy, and ridiculously delicious banana and strawberry ice cream. If this recipe made you drool, give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment below. What flavor should we try next? And don't forget to subscribe because more yummy recipes are coming your way. See you in the next video. Happy scooping and bye.